Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Sofi Automated Investing. Sofi is a financial services company that offers a range of products, including automated investing, also known as robo-advising. This service allows you to invest your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets with minimal effort and expertise required. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Sofi website or mobile app. This will require providing some basic personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and income level. You will also need to fund your account with an initial deposit, which can be as low as $1. Once your account is set up, you will be asked to complete a brief questionnaire to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help Sofi's automated investing platform to create a personalized portfolio for you. The questionnaire will ask you about your investment goals, such as whether you are saving for retirement or a down payment on a house, and your risk tolerance, such as whether you are willing to take on more risk in pursuit of higher returns. Based on your answers, Sofi will create a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are a type of investment fund that tracks a specific index, such as the S&P 500. The portfolio will be designed to balance risk and potential returns, and will be regularly rebalanced to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals. One of the key benefits of Sofi Automated Investing is that it is a low-cost way to invest your money. Sofi charges no management fees for accounts under $10,000, and a low fee of 0.25% per year for accounts over $10,000. This is significantly lower than the fees charged by many traditional financial advisors. Another benefit of Sofi Automated Investing is that it is a tax-efficient way to invest. Sofi's platform uses a technique called tax loss harvesting, which involves selling securities that have lost value to offset gains from other securities, reducing your tax liability. To get the most out of Sofi Automated Investing, it is a good idea to set up regular deposits into your account, which can help you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the state of the market. This strategy is known as dollar cost averaging, and can help to reduce the risk of investing in the stock market. In conclusion, Sofi Automated Investing is a low-cost and tax-efficient way to invest your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create an account, complete the questionnaire, and start investing your money with minimal effort and expertise required.